To get back into spreadsheets here after Christmas break, I'm going to have you find this data yourself. I'd like you to find snowfall in our area. December snowfall from 2000 to 2014 on your own. I would like you to list this as an organized fashion on a Google Sheet, just so we can get used to setting these up by ourselves without me giving you the template to fill in, just to kind of take the next step here. I'd like you to freeze and color the first column and row. That can just make things a little bit more easy to deal with, especially when you have longer spreadsheets, because that way it keeps the heading lined up with the data. It can also help to recolor the cell, something simple, just to keep things straight again. All right, we're going to find the average of the first column. It's always good to label things, and you have to select the data and simply click the average. That's going to give us the average December snowfall since the year 2000. We're going to change every cell above the average to blue and below to gray. It's fine if you want to round it. Let's say, what you can actually do is format number, and if you switch just to number here, if you format it to number, this option, it'll round to the second decimal. So we're going to say format, conditional formatting, everything greater than, and let's say 51 point. Let's just use the average, 51.81. We're going to change the background color to blue. So those are the days that are above average. We're going to do the same thing, format, conditional formatting, less than. Background is going to be, let's pick this red color. Whoops. Aha, I forgot to click the add another rule. So add another rule. If text is less than 51.81, we're going to change the background color to red. I am then going to turn you loose. I would like you to make some sort of chart to display this information. I'm going to kind of let you pick what type you'd like to use. There's different ways to do this that could be accurate. Probably not a pie chart, but some of these line charts could work pretty well. Possibly even a column chart. There's different ways to do this. Just make sure we want to use column A as labels. That's sort of the big thing to make sure that, because column A we want as labels. We don't want it as its own chart of column A. We want column A as the labels. Make sure title it correctly, and fix the visual thing. So you can sort of pick the type. Just make sure to use column A as labels. You can customize everything else and then turn it in via Classroom.